is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Tonight I decorated my Christmas tree with them, and we're gonna make our tree topper bow for it. So if you're not in the creative coaching group, you can join at learnfromdamon.com. Check out creative coaching. We're gonna use our easy bow maker. Y'all, my theme colors are black, red, white, and a hint of gold. So here is our first ribbon for our tree topper bow. I'm gonna make this tail pretty long. And when I say pretty long, I mean really long. All right, we're gonna give it a good pinch. Twist it. I'm gonna measure this loop out to about 10 inches. All right, last loop here. All right, so we have 4 loops, 2 tails. I want this tail to be a little bit longer. All right, so we got our one tail going up. This loop is gonna get just a little bit smaller, not a whole lot. Y'all, this one I'm just gonna do 3. And then I'm gonna drag it down to be the same length as that other tail. All right, and this one's just gonna have our 2. Slightly smaller. All right, I'm gonna slide all this right out. Wrap my pipe cleaner right around it. Pull it nice and tight. And then twist it off. All right. Now, we've got these long tails to hang down the tree. Y'all, that is for tonight. Good night, y'all.